Are you ready to make your RZR Pro stand out while delivering that loud, high-performance audio that DS18 is known for? Then you need to check these babies out, because today we're going to talk about the DS18 RZR Pro RP6 Loaded. Now, this isn't just another speaker enclosure, it's a premium rear speaker pod designed specifically for the RZR Pro. It gives you that clean factory-style fit while adding powerful sound that keeps up with every ride, whether you're hitting the dunes, the trails, or the mud. This is made for the RZR Pro. The installation is clean and seamless without sacrificing the look of your machine. It comes loaded with 6.5-inch marine speakers featuring integrated RGB LED lighting that gives your RZR an aggressive appearance by day and night. And this enclosure is built to hold up with the toughest environments: mud, dust, water, sand, whatever you throw at it. And just because it's DS18, you already know it's going to be loud and crispy. Now let's be honest. Your machine deserves the capability of having an aggressive sound system that can keep up with the looks, the speed, the wheels, and the motor. That's right. And it's all going to be looking like factory. So you got nice speakers, nice durable pods, an LED badge in the back, so it makes your machine be one of a kind. So make sure you guys check these out. These are the RZR Pro RP6 Loaded by DS18. We like it loud.